This is another simple problem. This is another multiple choice problem, right? Multiple choice. So the question says a small block of mass 0.1 kg lies on a fixed inclined plane PQ, which makes an angle theta with the horizontal, right? This is making an angle theta. A horizontal force 1 Newton acts on the block through its center of mass shown in the figure. The block will remain stationary at theta equal to 45. Now these are the options, right? So 1 Newton is over here and mg will be acting downwards. M is given to us 0.1 and g is given as 10. That means 1 Newton, right? So it is saying if the block remains stationary, if it has to remain stationary, that means what will happen? The force along this and the force along this should be 0, right? The force along the surface of the inclined plane should be 0, right? So that means if this is theta, this will be what? 90 minus theta, right? And this will be theta. So this will be equal to 1 cos theta, right? And this will be equals to 1 sin theta. Now for it to remain equilibrium, f net should be equals to 0. That means 1 cos theta, that means cos theta minus sin theta should be equals to 0. Cos theta minus sin theta should be equals to 0. That means tan theta equals to 1, right? If we take over there and we divide both the sides by cos theta, we'll get tan theta equal to 1. That means theta should be equals to 45 degree. That means option A is correct, right? And let us see what it is saying now. It's saying that if theta is greater than 45 degree, if theta is greater than 45 degree, what will happen? We have to, we know that when theta becomes greater than 45 degree, the value of sine increases and the value of cos decreases, because cos 90 is 0, right? Is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So that means what is happening, as we are increasing the value of theta, what is happening? The value of cos is decreasing. That means net force would come out in this direction if theta is greater than 45, right? Net force would come out in this direction. Now for it to remain stationary, what we need? We will need friction to be acting in the upward direction, right? So that net force becomes 0. So a frictional force acts on the block towards P, which is wrong, right? It should act towards Q. That means option C is correct. And let us see option D also. If theta is less than 45, that means net force would be upwards. That means friction should act downwards. If theta is less than 45, a frictional force acts on the block towards Q. Wrong, it acts towards P. That means two options are correct, that is A and C. This was very easy problem from IIT-JEE 2012 paper.